I enjoy driving my old 7 Series as much as anyone else, but if there's one thing that is annoying, is the cup holder doesn't work. Oh, I've even put a electrical socket in there because I just never use it. So I'm going to a little shop here to see if I can buy some knickknacks to fix it. This is quite a common fault where a steel sort of hook spring goes, and you need to get some strong steel to do it. Aluminium won't work, copper won't work. This might be steel. Hairpins. Grab some glue while I'm here. Wow, these are handy. Oh, these long needles look good. Alright, we've got enough to start the job now. This video is not sponsored by Hobbycraft. Alright, let's get to the coffee cup holder behind all these chargers that I haven't used this coffee cup holder for years, not since it broke. Okay, so it's not pulling out. Ow, ow, oh, oh yes. So now I need to figure out how it works, why it broke. I slot the runner back in the rail, then push closed, and then push it back in. It latches. Yes. Okay, it won't come out. Bit of persuasion. Okay. Okay, so what's wrong now, really? Detaches. It really is quite filthy in there. You know what? I'm gonna put the handbrake on and switch it into drive. There, I've got some room to play with. So currently the problem is that when it comes out, great, but it's not really stopped. And the only thing I can see that's supposed to stop it coming out is this rack here. Latches onto that little hole there. It's come off. And that's supposed to limit the furthest extent outwards of the cup holder. Right. So for epoxy resin glue, you mix equal amounts of resin and hardener in a plastic tray and stir it up. After 45 seconds of mixing, it's tacky enough to apply to the hole where I want that rack to stick to, which is there. You can see it there. Okay, now put it back in. Rails on first, and just at the point where the inner and outer cup clamps meet, that's where that rack goes in that epoxy glued hole. Let's see. Just have to feel what you're doing, and when the rack stops rattling around, that's when you know it's in the glued hole. You just got to keep the pressure on it, and what better way to keep the pressure on it than to Oh no. Yeah, you learn to log it in. Alright, leave that for 5 minutes. And I took the precaution of not bringing a watch or a clock or looking at the car clock with me because I'm an idiot. Right, well that's at least 10 minutes. And now for the test. Are you ready? Oh, yeah, and it stops. I'm not going to yank it. Now that rack is glued in there underneath. Okay. Lock. Out. Lock. I bet the space under the cup holder hasn't seen a wet cloth in 22 years. Now, where am I going to put this? And look at all this crap that I didn't need to buy from, well, I needed the epoxy resin to be fair, but all those needles and bits of steel. Moral of the story is, don't look on YouTube. Alright, now that little luxury is back in my life, get some shorts on, go out for a nice sunny drink and drive. The wine bottle doesn't fit. Oh no. Oh. My wine bottle doesn't fit. Hashtag first world problems. Now the acid test. Oh. Drinks can. I hope that helps you get your cup holder working again. If you want any other tips on how to fix these old BMW 7 Series E38s, I put some angel eyes in there, had a nice drive there, took some lovely pictures. That one, something else I fixed on it, and that'll be random. And always virtue signal about your recycling, because global warming.